Medical nanotechnology is a branch of science that involves working with extremely small particles and structures called nanoparticles, which are thousands of times smaller than the width of a human hair. These nanoparticles can be engineered to interact with our bodies in specific ways, allowing us to detect diseases at an earlier stage and with higher accuracy. One of the key advancements in this field is the development of nanodevices, which are tiny machines that can perform specific tasks at the nanoscale. These devices can be designed to target specific disease markers or biomolecules in our bodies, allowing for precise and efficient disease detection. In this lecture, we will discuss the various types of nanodevices that have been developed for disease detection, such as biosensors and imaging agents. We will also explore different strategies for delivering these nanodevices to specific sites in the body, ensuring maximum effectiveness. By the end of this lecture, you will have a deep understanding of the potential of nanodevices in disease detection and how they can significantly improve diagnostic capabilities in the medical field. So let's dive in and explore the world of medical nanotechnology together. Biomarkers are biological molecules or substances that can indicate the presence or progression of a disease. They can be found in various bodily fluids such as blood, urine, or saliva. The identification and analysis of biomarkers play a critical role in disease diagnosis and screening. Researchers are using nanotechnology to develop highly sensitive biosensors capable of detecting even trace amounts of these biomarkers, enabling early disease detection and accurate diagnosis. To comprehend the field of medical nanotechnology, it is crucial to understand the fundamentals of nanotechnology and nanoparticle synthesis. Nanotechnology involves the manipulation and control of matter at the nanoscale, typically ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. Nanoparticles, which are particles with dimensions in the nanometer range, are widely utilized in medical applications due to their unique properties and potential for targeted therapy. Various methods such as chemical precipitation, sol-gel process, and lithography are employed to synthesize nanoparticles with specific characteristics suitable for medical applications. Optical-based nanodevices use the interaction between light and matter to detect and diagnose diseases. These devices utilize techniques such as surface plasmon resonance, fluorescence spectroscopy, and Raman spectroscopy to detect and analyze specific biomarkers or abnormalities associated with various diseases. By leveraging nanotechnology, optical-based nanodevices can achieve higher sensitivities and accuracies, enabling the detection of diseases at an early stage. Magnetic nanodevices are designed to detect and diagnose diseases by utilizing magnetic nanoparticles. These nanoparticles can be functionalized with specific biomarkers or antibodies to target particular diseases or cells. Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and magnetic particle imaging, MPI, are powerful diagnostic tools that utilize the magnetic properties of nanoparticles to produce detailed images of affected tissues or organs, aiding in accurate disease diagnosis. To enhance the specificity of treatment and minimize side effects, nanoparticles can be functionalized with ligands, antibodies, or other targeting moieties that specifically recognize diseased cells or tissues. The surface functionalization of nanoparticles enables targeted drug delivery, ensuring that therapeutic agents reach the desired location with precision. This approach reduces systemic toxicity and enhances the therapeutic efficacy of treatment. Quantum dots, tiny semiconductor nanocrystals, exhibit remarkable optical and physical properties. They emit light of various colors based on their size, which enables simultaneous detection of multiple disease markers. By coupling quantum dots with biomolecules like antibodies, they can specifically identify disease-related indicators. This enables the highly sensitive and multifaceted detection of diseases by quantum dot-based nanodevices. Their potential applications in disease detection are promising due to their ability to detect diverse targets simultaneously, making them valuable tools in the field of medical nanotechnology. DNA nanostructures, such as DNA origami, have emerged as promising diagnostic tools in medical nanotechnology. These nanostructures can be designed to carry specific diagnostic probes or drugs, and they possess the ability to self-assemble into complex and precise shapes. DNA nanostructures enable highly sensitive and specific diagnostic platforms, facilitating the detection of diseases at early stages with exceptional accuracy. By harnessing the power of nanotechnology, nanosensors have emerged as cutting-edge devices capable of detecting and analyzing specific biomarkers or analytes. Their ability to provide real-time monitoring and continuous measurement of disease-related parameters within the body makes them invaluable in medical applications. Nanosensors offer numerous advantages, including high sensitivity, specificity, and precise control over detection capabilities. With their potential for personalized medicine and continuous health monitoring, nanosensors hold great promise in revolutionizing the field of disease detection and management. Microfluidics refers to the manipulation and control of fluids at a very small scale. This technology offers several advantages for disease detection, such as the reduction of device size, cost-effective analyses, and the capability to test small sample volumes. When microfluidic devices are used in conjunction with nanodevices, the efficiency and sensitivity of disease detection assays are increased. This integration of technologies is highly valuable in the field of medical nanotechnology. The integration of nanotechnology and biological components has given rise to nanobiosensors, which are small-scale devices designed to detect and quantify specific substances. These nanobiosensors hold great promise for point-of-care diagnostics, as they allow for swift and precise disease detection right at the patient's bedside. What makes nanobiosensors particularly valuable is their portability, simplicity, and affordability, which make them excellent tools for early disease identification and real-time monitoring. Signal amplification strategies are important for making disease detection methods more sensitive. Nanotechnology is crucial for developing these strategies. Some examples of signal amplification techniques include using enzymes to speed up reactions, using nanomaterials to enhance signals, and using molecular self-assembly to amplify signals. These strategies allow for the detection of diseases at lower levels and improve the accuracy of disease detection tests, making them more useful in clinical settings. While the field of medical nanotechnology holds great promise, several challenges must be addressed for its successful implementation. These challenges include issues related to biocompatibility, regulatory considerations, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. Overcoming these hurdles will pave the way for the development of innovative nanodevices that revolutionize disease detection and treatment. In the future, advancements in nanotechnology will likely lead to personalized, precise, and targeted therapies for various diseases. In conclusion, medical nanotechnology has the potential to transform the landscape of disease diagnosis and treatment. The integration of nanotechnology with medical science has facilitated the development of highly sensitive and specific nanodevices capable of detecting diseases at early stages. These nanodevices offer tremendous advantages, including targeted therapy, real-time monitoring, and point-of-care diagnostics. As researchers continue to push the boundaries of medical nanotechnology, we can anticipate a future where diseases are diagnosed earlier, treatments are personalized, and patient outcomes are significantly improved. Thank you, and I look forward to discussing any questions you may have.